16. Oh, 16. Look at all these 16s, guys. This is all by you. All from your support. All of you. 16 subscribers. Thank you. Oh shoot. Yeah, guys, look at that. 16 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna change my picture. Oh shoot. Says I haven't been uploading much. Yes. Discussion. Thank you so much for 16 subscribers, guys. Even though it's not much, what am I doing? Even though it's not much, look at all this. All this I missed out on. All of it. You and I were flavors and heaven in the sky. My life. Okay, but yeah, guys. The fuck? Okay, yeah, guys, but 16. 16. Not 19. Freaking 16. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my goodness, what the hell's going on? But 16. 16. 16. 16. My next goal is to hit, what should I hit? I would like to hit, guys. Oh my god, it's 11 o'clock at night. After this vid, I'll just go to bed. Bleh. But guys, I would like to hit 23 subs. Yup, 23, you heard it. 23. 23. Since I love 23. And I have that, but black and red. See, 23, we're making it rain with 16. Can't we make it rain with 23? That will be my dream, guys. But thank you so much. 16 subs. Please help me hit 23 subs. Thank you, guys. Peace.